Do you need a website to dropship? The short answer is no, but there's more to the story than just that. So let us delve in a little deeper, shall we? But first, please like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products directly to customers without holding any inventory. When a product is sold, the supplier ships it directly to the customer. This removes the need for you to store, pack, and ship products yourself. Now, you might think, to sell online, don't I need a website? Well, not necessarily. Today, numerous e-commerce platforms like Shopify, eBay, and Amazon make it easy to start a dropshipping business without the need to create and manage your own website. Statistics show that as of 2023, 2.14 billion people worldwide have purchased goods online. But interestingly, 63% of shopping occasions begin online. Yet many of these purchases happen on marketplaces like Amazon and eBay, rather than individual websites. Using these platforms, you can simply create an account, list your products, and start selling without dealing with the technicalities of maintaining a website. However, there are advantages to having your own website. You can control how your brand is represented, make it easier for your customers to find you, and avoid the competition on larger platforms. Yet, keep in mind, creating and maintaining a website involves cost and effort. According to a recent survey, small business owners spend $500 to $1,000 annually on website maintenance alone. The bottom line, you don't need a website to start a dropshipping business, but it can be beneficial depending on your goals. It is a decision that requires careful thought and consideration of your resources and target audience. In dropshipping, as in all business sectors, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It is about finding what works best for you and your bottom line. If you want to learn more about the ins and outs of dropshipping and get your business registered, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you can call our business formation team right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what's your opinion about needing a website for dropshipping? Does it seem better to get a site up and running? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Please also don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.